मैम कुछ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट लगाओ, मेक इट इलेक्ट्रिक, ऑल दीज रिएक्शंस शुड हैपन जल्दी जल्दी. So what I'll do, I'll take the same agar plate. You will see I have added a lot of antigens over here. This is an antigen that has been added over here. And in this trough above, I am going to add an antibody. तो यहाँ पर है antibody, यहाँ पर है antigen. But what have I done? I have applied an electric current. I have applied an electric current and I have separated the antigen into many parts so that now proper lines will form. Proper lines will form whenever the antigen antibody will meet, proper lines will form. I have used electric current. So why do I want to call it immunodiffusion? No, now I'll call it electroimmunodiffusion. Because what have I done? I told you na, every antigen is very complex. तो मैंने इसको छोटा छोटा पार्ट्स में, like you say antigen antibody reactions is a very complex chapter. I'll say okay, never mind, I'll break it into small topics. So by applying electric current, I have broken it into small antigens, and that is what you've done. So I'll repeat this once again. What do? You take an antigen to begin with, you apply an electric current. After that those antigens get separated. अब पूरा छोटा छोटा टॉपिक्स हो गया, all छोटा छोटा antigens are ready. Now you're gonna add antibody over here. So these antibody and these antigen will meet and jaldi they will give you precipitin line. So this is a faster method. This is electroimmunodiffusion. You say ma'am और भी जल्दी कर दो इसको. Okay, I'll say अभी तक what was happening in the previous one was only the antigen was being separated like this and only one thing was moving, only antibody was moving. अब दोनों को मूव करा देते. Means if I place an antigen here and I place an antibody here and I do something like counter immunoelectrophoresis, means I create a kind of an electric charge that both of them start moving towards each other. It is a mutual attraction. Don't you think the line that will form on their junction will be even faster? So this is definitely going to be faster. Repeating, in electroimmunodiffusion, एक side का current था, only the antibody was going. Over here, antigen antibody, both are going to move. So this is counter immunoelectrophoresis, which is going to be much faster. But none of them are telling me the quantity of the antigen or the quantity of anything. For quantitative assessment of the antigen, I am doing rocket. Easiest to identify, rocket immunoelectrophoresis. You will see so many rockets in this journey. So what will you do? You will keep the antigen in the increasing concentrations. And you will add the antibody in the agarose gel and you will be able to see that as your antigen concentration is increasing, you will realize that the arcs are also, the rockets are also increasing. So this helps you in doing the quantitative assessment. So remember, when we talk about rocket electrophoresis, the rocket is going to help you in the quantitative estimation. Guys, that finally wraps up all of your precipitation reactions. Liquid wala ho gaya, gel wala ho gaya. If you want to add a little bit of electric current, you can add electric current only in one dimension, मतलब in one way, electroimmunodiffusion. दोनों तरफ से करना है movement, तो counter immunoelectrophoresis. And if you want to quantify, you do rocket electrophoresis.